Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable toggle spatial animation inline. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Line app. Make sure you have already downloaded Line app on your device. Once you tap on it, it will open up this kind of interface. So here, go to gear icon that is located on top right corner. Now here tap on stickers. So here you can see toggle spatial animation. Simply tap on it. Now here it is disabled. In order to enable it, simply tap on this icon and you will enable it. So this is how you can enable toggle spatial animation inline. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.